In this discussion, you can see how to create records using CSV file along with how to add many-to-many field in CSV file. In case you missed previous discussion about how to add one-to-many field in CSV file, please check link is given in description and you can see the previous discussions in YouTube channel. And if you are a beginner and you want to learn more about Odoo, you can use this playlist. And right now we are working in this playlist, Odoo data files. And these discussions covered in this playlist. So don't worry about these discussions. And you can see here the different discussions, all are the different parts and all discussions is covered in this main channel. So this is the main channel as a part 1 and other rest of the playlist is the sub playlist of this main playlist. Okay, so let's go to our main topic here. And for example, I'm going to here in student profile and let me open this student profile. You can see this hobby list, like this is the hobby list and this is many to many field. You can see here like many to many field and we used widget as a checkbox. For example, I want to add these 3 hobbies for the student. I'm just click to this checkbox and I will save here. So as a front end side, you can see like this student 1 having these 3 hobbies. So what we have to do here is like we can create a new student and we can also add this 3 multiple hobbies using many to many field. So here the main goal is like how we can add many to many field in CSV file. I'm going to an editor and I'm open the CSV file of the student. If you want to know more about how to create CSV file, when to register this CSV file, you can see previous discussion I already explained. So right now I'm not explaining much more about this basic information. So many to many field is relational field. You can see here in models here, like you can see like hobby underscore list as a many to many field. So we have to use this hobby underscore list here, like hobby underscore list, and same as the many to one field here, like we have to use colon id. That's it. And let me add one more record Sita Raman, and here I have to add the school ID like school underscore 2, then after total fee is 4,000 and here we have to add hobby list, but here I don't know the hobby list ID. So let me open this hobby.csv file and you can see here multiple hobby list provided. So here what we have to do is like we have to copy, like I have to add like as a gym, yoga and meditation to add hobby for this Sitaraman student. So let me add this ID here, then after comma again I'm going to here like hobby underscore 2, then after comma again I'm going to like hobby underscore 3 comma, again I'm going to the last one like hobby underscore 14 comma, like this. But here you can see it's syntactically wrong because you can see like we added hobby IDs using comma separated, so we have to use as a double quote, so it will treat like Odoo will treat okay these hobbies in double quote which is belong to this field only, because this field is belong to 1 2 3 4 and 5th index. So you can see like 1 2 3 4 and this 5th colon this colon it will treat as a hobby underscore list. Otherwise, like whatever you mention here, the extra field name, it will goes to this IDs over there. We just need to remember is we need to add this double quote. That's it. And I'm going to in backend side, restart the service and upgrade the module. Okay, right now you can see like it's having an issue. So I'm going to again in PyCharm, and for this three profiles we have to add comma, comma, and comma. That's it, because we will leave as a blank. We don't want to add the hobby list. Okay, now successfully added, and let me go to in front end side and let me go to in list view of the student. You can see the Sitaraman. Yes, you can see the Sitaraman student, sorry, school name is IIT, and total fees is 4,000. And if I'm going to here to open this profile, you can see like yoga part 2, meditation, then after gym, and hobby 14 is by default selected. Again, I'm going to an editor, and you have to just simply use, like in double quote, you have to only mention the ID of that records. That's it. And in header part, you have to mention the field name as a field name, then after colon, and then ID, because we are using here this IDs only. That's it. So I hope you understood this discussion, like how you can add many to many field in CSV file. If you have any query, please comment below, and see you in next session.